Alrighty, YouTube, here we go again. It is Wednesday. Hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. We made it, guys. Hope everyone had a good Thanksgiving, good Cyber Monday and Black Friday. Save some money. Right now they have going on Blink XT2 outdoor indoor wire-free HD smart security camera. This is a one pack, but you also get the Echo Dot with it. Got mine set up over there already. So it's like $74.99 right now. You save 50% off. Really cool camera. I already got it installed because I was doing the Amazon Live feed earlier. So this is a Blink XT2 outdoor indoor wire-free HD smart security camera. Two-way audio, 2-year battery life, day and night. Works with her again. I don't want to say her name, but she'll go off and start going crazy. But here we go. Blink. Waterproof. Really good picture quality. Like I said, I already set it up. But I downloaded the app on the iPhone. This Blink. It's going to ask you to do the passwords, set up your account, and all that good stuff. So, definitely really cool security camera. Great picture quality too. You guys will see in a second once I log in. Here is the camera. I'll show you how the batteries are installed. Got into my email and then my password. Coming up in a second. Allow. Get microphone. It's gonna ask you like microphone permission. You just type it in Blink on your iOS or your Android. Either or they work fine for. Accept. And done. So here we go. We got a live view photo. I got it labeled as front door. You can do the labeling. And it shows like a little area of like get real time crime safety alerts. So anything crazy happening in your area, you'll get alerts sent to your phone. I haven't set that one up yet, but seems interesting. I'm going to look into it first. But here we go. We're going to show you what the camera looks like. It's going to turn on in a second. There it goes. See, it's already on. It's already on. Oh, it's already talking. Oh, turn that off. Well, I gotta switch it to portrait. Or maybe I could just turn it automatically. There we go. Really good picture. Oh, shut that off. There we go. Keeps on turning on. Oh, you got it. Hello. There we go. So this is where the battery is. You just gotta push it down and lift it up. Oh, this could be annoying. Maybe I cover it up. But here is quality. Ooh, sorry about the back feed. Here we go. They got night vision, automatic. You can set it to. Back away for a little bit. Maybe that's why. Put it right there. But super clear quality though. Really impressed. Oh man, that's gonna be echoing. Echo. But this is a Blink XT2. They got 50% off right now. And you guys can check it out. Oh no. You can talk that way. Oh boy. We got trouble, guys. I'm going to try and make a short video. But you can take this anywhere, put it somewhere. And they come with mounts. Turn it down. There we go. A little bit better. At least for now I can. There we go. Alright, so that's what that one looks like. Flip it back. Close it out. There we go. Ooh, that was loud. But like I said, photo mode. I didn't take no photos, so it shouldn't be any. Unless it does it automatically. Oh no, you can take photos. Alright. And you can always add devices. Arm your system for motion detection. Yeah. We want the good stuff. So anytime motion will go by, it'll take photos. And you can record the video right there. That is really clear though. There we go. How clear that is. It's so tiny. Look at that. It's like a hockey puck. But that is really super clear, guys. So check it out. Blink XT2 on Amazon. Get it fast shipped to you guys. Be safe. Have a good night. See you soon.